poppin', everyone? Hope you guys are all doing great. Having a great week as we approach Christmas. Did a bunch of work to the Cummins on the weekend. Actually didn't film that much of it, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what I did get done. So I had ordered 2 new fenders to put on the Cummins because this one's actually in good shape. But if you walk around to this side of the Cummins, it's got a bit of a dent or scratch there, and then right here as well. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. So obviously, as you can see, I took the hood completely off. I took the fender off and the wiper cowl off as well. Just to find out that the fenders I had ordered originally, which were some black aftermarket ones, had an imperfection in the way the metal was bent. This is my stock one, but the one that I ordered, that wasn't smooth right there. So I'm not sure if I should get new fenders, aftermarket ones. I hear the aftermarket ones, like most of them are garbage, so I'm kind of happy that didn't work out with these ones I had ordered. So yeah, we'll see. As you can see, that's how she sits, and I'm hoping to get some more progress made over the next few days. I also peeled off the trim that was along this side. As you can see, that's off and smooth, and this is all just dusty erase that hasn't came off yet. And yeah, honestly, this truck too is really clean for the most part. Looking inside the, or outside the engine, I guess is the right proper term. It has a stock turbo. And I do want to get a new manifold for this beauty, but it's pretty clean. Like, for the most part, it's got a 4-inch downpipe. You know, it's got some painted goodies on it. New alternator. Nice big blue fan. Intercooler as well, as you can see. Pretty good shape that way. But yeah, I don't know exactly the size the stock turbos are. I think they're in the mid 50 ranges, 50 mils. So I'm thinking maybe go up to like a 63. Also just ordered new headlights. I like the factory look of headlights on old trucks, to be honest, but or brand new ones. These ones aren't. That one's in pretty good shape. That one not so much. So I just ordered 2 new ones and 2 new running lights or turn signal lights or fog lights, whatever you call them. There's different names for these trucks. But I ordered all 4 new lights. Have that done. Still deciding on this and the box. So I actually have ordered like 2 boxes up from the States. First time I ordered it, never showed up, got refunded. Second time, so that was actually from New Jersey. Second time I ordered a box, it was from Florida. It showed up and it was in worse shape than this one. Because this box has a few dents in it, but it's completely rust-free and the underside is like immaculate. The underside of this box is beautiful, and I don't know if I should just go ahead and put the bodywork into this box that it needs and spend the money to just get it all straightened out, get the body lines cleaned up and make it paintable, or just trash this box and get a new clean box. Now, like I said, I live in Southern Ontario. There's guys who bring boxes up all the time, but a lot of them get damaged in transportation. So it's easy for a box to be rust-free, but it gets banged around or something with the straps or anything. They'd be damaged so easily in transportation coming up 20 hours in Florida. But I'll go ahead and show you the underside of this box just so you guys can see. Like, I don't know if the camera will fully pick it up. As you can see, the shock covers are a little, looking a little weird there because I took the rear block out the back. And since doing so, those covers shrunk a bunch. But the box rails, everything is in great shape. It's in solid shape. I'm probably gonna get a roll pan style, and then there's a bit of a dent right here as well. So I think I'll probably get to a point like mid-January where I'll decide if there's any new boxes that have came up, because I have a few contacts who are gonna be bringing some up in January, and then I'll decide then, because I want to get rolling and paint on this truck. I want to get it painted, and if I don't have any a new box on it by like, I'm gonna say the end of January, then I'll just have to work with the box I got and get it done. That didn't come with a USB hookup. A lot of them don't when I bought it used. Although we're gonna go toss it on right now and then put the sled back together. So when we get him with snow in the next few days, we can rip. So we got it all wired up. We'll see if this USB charger works. We will fire the sled up, plug my phone in, and see if it charges my phone. I think there are some other options where it's like a a cigarette lighter here opening, hookup rather. But I got the USB. So I'll take this, plug it in right now, and start up the sled. That's a good sign. So I didn't want to run the sled for too long because it is kind of fumey in here and I can't ride it anywhere right now, but it did work. So that's mint. And now when I'm riding up north, I got the heated visor hookup that is wired in and now a USB charger.